I am here to share my knowledge and understanding about OOP concept. Object-oriented programming concept is short. It can be called a OOP concept. What is the OOP? OOP is actually nothing but an approach to view any real-world function or an application in the form of an object. OOP paradigm or programming paradigm or a strategy or a programming methodology in which a real-world concept can be modeled as an object. So, if we take in the real world concept, these are all safe for all state. For example, this TV, fan, a human, a dog, a puppy. Physically exchange entity. So what is the object in the programming world, or how in the programming world or object can be modeled? So if we take for example, we want to remodel this real world concept. A human in the programming world. For example, for banking application, this human can be modeled as a bank customer. In this case, that bank customer object will be having a customer banking, customer ordinary attribute, later attribute, and later function. Or this human can be modeled as a bank employee, and this case the bank employee. Object will be having the bank employee, later attribute, and the function attribute. So about from the human, for example, you want to model any like a fan. So and air traffic control system. For example, air traffic control system and engine can be modeled as an object. So these are all some of the for example, say this bank customer, this bank employee, this engineer. These are all some of the programming. For example, with real world concept can be modeled of an object. Some basic language, C++, Java, Smalltalk, Python, etc. These are some basic whether who, what, how, why. Object-oriented programming concept, class, polymerization, encapsulation, installation, action, class. It is a logical component and no memory. This allocation from class is the blueprint to create object. These are two parts of the class, field and method. As a take for example, for called the field a property or attribute of a car, of a model, color, price, and real life method. Or gear of your car or short, reverse and select rate, gear and change and drop. Object it is an instance of the class. Memory is allocation for object. There are these three characters object. First one, state with represent the data of an object. Second one, behave with represent the functionality of the object. Third one, this is the identifying with each object uniquely. Installation. It is a project by which a class acquired the property, but another class, a superclass or a parent class or a base class is a class from with property or acquired by another class. Subclass or derived class or client class acquire properties of another class. Instance property usability of the code. Types of the installation. Single installation, multi-level installation, identical installation, hybrid installation. single inheritance. When a class acquires properties from only one class, then it is called a single inheritance. Here, class B inheritance from class A. So, A is a parent class, B is a child class. Multi-level inheritance. When a derived class as a base class from another class is called as multi-level inheritance. Here, B is a derived class from the class A, with the term serve as a base class for a subclass. Identical inheritance. One class is a superclass for more than one subclass. For example, the class A serves as a base class for the derived class B, C and D. Next, multiple inheritance. One class can have more than one superclass. Note, the Java does not support multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance. Your hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is the combination more than one type of inheritance. Here, subclass B and C derived from the same superclass. It is a identical inheritance. B is derived from the superclass B and C. It is the multiple inheritance. So, these two types of inheritance, that is identical inheritance and multiple inheritance. This is called hybrid inheritance. Abstract. It is a project hiding and implementation detail. The users know only the functionality in Java abstract. For example, a person driving a car, the person only knows that speed can be increased by pressing the accelerator, or the car will stop by application brake. But he need know about how one pressing the accelerator, the speed increase, not about how one pressing brake the car stop. It is called absent. Encapsulation. Refers to the warping of the data and the method under the single unit code. Polymorphism. Two type polymorphism many morphism many form. Polymorphism is the ability of an object to take on many forms. For example, a person is shopping in a customer. The same person but in the package. The person is fully student, and that the person at the home is the son. More than function with the same name with a different working. Types of the polymorphism. Types of polymorphism: complaint polymorphism, runtime polymorphism. Complaint time polymorphism, complaint time or static polymorphism is a project in which a call to the method in resolved at complaint time. For static polymorphism is called really mining or a complaint polymorphism. For example, it is a method that allow their class to have two or more methods to have the same name but with different parameter list. Dynamic polymorphism. Dynamic polymorphism is the project in which called a methods resolved at runtime. For example, method overwriting. Overwriting is a method that allows a subclass or a child class to provide a specific implementation of a method that is already provided by one of the superclass is all. Thank you.